Hi everyone, and thank you so much for being here today for Elixir's very first webinar. We truly appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedules to join us. My name is Ruby and I am a part of the customer technical support team here at Elixir. I'll be taking you through some of our new exciting features along with best practices to help streamline your day-to-day work. Ultimately, the goal today is to show you how to use the new features to reduce clicks and increase automation within Elixir. Let's take a quick look at today's agenda. I'm really excited to share the amazing work our team have been doing to support our users. We have 30 minutes together, 20 minutes of content, and then some question and answers at the end. I will take you through the Careway integration and take a look at the ARTP workflow. We'll also cover recent improvements to referrals and show how billable items and appointment type matching can help save time and streamline admin tasks. So, the first question is, what is Careway? Careway is an ACC-funded integrated care pathway. Careway can assist your patients with accessing fully funded care. It is designed to help people with certain injuries of the knee, shoulder, or spine to get quicker and better access to treatment and rehab services. The purpose of our integration is to make handling Careway easier for your administrators. So let's jump into our first demo. This is where I will walk you through how to accept Careway as a recipient of a letter via an ARTP creation. So now we are in Elixir. I'll start by showing you how the Careway integration is triggered. Here we have a busy day for Miles Davis. What we will do is find a patient in his ACC initial consults. Here I've selected the appointment and I'm jumping through to the patient's details. Here I have an ACC referral for a right knee injury. Now I need to proceed with setting up an ARTP form. Here I'm going to edit my ARTP and ensure the information is correct. Here I am at the treatment details. In the treatment details, we can see the right knee injury is in the criteria of Careway. The procedure code is the most important part of the ARTP to ensure it is accepted by Careway for their relevant care. Here we have the code KNE50. Now I am ready to submit this ARTP. I come down and I hit Save and Lock. Here I get the pop-up question to see if I'm interested in Careway. I'm going to hit yes, and Careway is now added to my referral. So I'm going to jump to my referral, and here Careway is added as a permanent recipient. Careway is now added as a permanent recipient for all letters where the referral is referenced. Right knee injury referral, scroll to the bottom, and you will see that Careway is added as a permanent recipient. This reduces clicks for the end user and ensures consistent communication with Careway as your ICP. This is super exciting. It's going to streamline all your communication. You also have the ability to remove it or add as many extra consultants' contacts as you require. So this referral CC function is a feature in itself. It can be useful for other areas outside of Careway, such as ACC, GPs, external providers, physios, referrers. Locking them in as a permanent recipient, like this, adding them into the referral, save, then allows you for more consistency over your leaders. So it's super easy. All you need to do is make those changes in the referral by adding or adjusting recipients. It's super flexible depending on your own workflow. Now, that concludes the Careway and referral demo. That is how simple it is to improve your referrals and automate communication, leading to less clicks on Elixir's front end. Now, let's move to my personal favorite, billable items. What I'm going to do is jump through to the admin portal and jump through to appointment types. Here we have all of our clinic's appointment types. What I can now do is link a billable item to an appointment type by hitting the three dots, edit, and here we have a related billable items field. So we go add billable item, ensure the zero account is correct, select the practitioner, and select the related billable item, which for this case it's an ACC initial consult of $150. Create. Always check as best practice that the items are correct. So ACC initial consult, perfect, save. Now, please be aware you also have flexibility on what items per consultant. For example, an initial consult in this clinic is a $150 charge for Miles Davis and a $250 charge for Freddie Mercury. So you have that flexibility over the different prices per consultant. So best practice is to jump into Office, Invoice Report, and find those relevant appointments that need to be invoiced. Here we have an appointment for Morgan Wallen for an ACC initial consult. I'm going to hit normal, and there we see my ACC initial consult billable item has been linked up to the appointment type. What's really powerful here is how this supports your team, especially if you have temporary admin staffs or someone new handling your invoicing. It's setting up your billable items this way to ensure you're always invoicing the correct items and everything stays consistent. Here we simply can hit create, and there is our invoice. Please be aware that you also have flexibility over your billable items. You still have the opportunity to add any extra charges or even edit the unit cost slightly. This is all possible with a billable item. What it is created to do is to give you that consistent foundation with the appointment type to ensure that you're invoicing correctly and you're reducing the risk of error of the end user. I'm going to show you one more time how it works. The appointment type is edited. The billable item is linked. $200 sales account, $150 charge, create. Best practice, always check it and then save. We do our invoicing in the invoice report. We have an ACC follow-up for Miles Davis, normal, and there is our billable item. Any extra items possible? Create. That is how simple it is to now streamline all of your invoicing to appointment types in Elixir. Thank you for all giving me the opportunity to walk you through these features today. Our Elixir developers work incredibly hard to turn your requests into exciting new functionality. We're always looking for ways to improve, so please feel free to vote on our feature request page here, or to get in touch with me via support@elixir.nz. You're also welcome to give me a call or book in a training session via our Savvy Cal links. Thank you very much.